What's up, guys? Cheapies, aka Noah, back to bring another video. This one I'm actually really excited about. I feel like I put this sneaker, I know you guys can see it in the title, but this sneaker in like a million videos, and for some reason they restocked it and I decided to actually pick it up. I was lucky enough to actually get it, which was pretty crazy because I never hit on any dunks at all. But I put this one in like probably at least like 5 videos at this point of like sneakers that you can pick up that are fairly cheap, fairly easy to wear, and I've never had them. I've never gotten them on sneakers. I feel like they've released multiple times, but I was lucky enough to get it on the restock like last week or something, and it's definitely one I'm going to be keeping. Plus, it's only like $100 retail, so probably brought down some of the resale because some people are probably trying to flip these pretty quick. But I was lucky enough to get them in my size, and I actually have them. So all those times I've been suggesting them in the videos to pick them up. Now I finally have picked them up too, so you guys know that I would pick up some of the things I suggested in my video. So let's get unboxing this sneaker. Usually the Nike boxes just don't work. It also looks like I feel like I got someone's like return or something because they put tape on the back. These are like the bad Nike boxes because Nike decided to do that. Alright, so plain red Nike box, nothing special, size 13, Dunk Low Retro. I'm pretty excited about this. Like I said, I've recommended this one on multiple occasions. These are the Nike Dunk Lows, white, black, panda, whatever you want to call them, in my size. I've never actually owned a pair of Dunks. I have a pair of Jordan 1 Lows. I've owned a couple pair of Dunks, but I usually just sell them because either they're not my size or I had the off-white ones, but they were going for way more than I wanted to keep them for. But I finally got a pair of sneakers, a pair of Dunks that I do want to keep. They're just a super simple colorway. I know they've been released a million times, but it's just a really simple colorway, and you can wear it all the time in white and black. Literally, I'm wearing black and like gray. So like, and you guys can see, if you can see in my sneakers or watch my sneaker collection, there's been multiple just black and white sneakers. That's just kind of how I wear them. But it's a Dunk Low. Obviously, Dunk Lows are super popular. I would put these up as probably one of the most popular Dunk Lows of the year. Obviously, because they're super easy to wear and they're not too expensive. I know if you're buying them resale, they're like $200, like depending on your size, like $300. They probably have gone down after they restocked again. But they're just super simple. The black soles, the black laces. I don't know if they come with other laces. I think they're just these ones. But I don't really know how to compare any Dunks. I don't know if these are like good material. They're probably fine material. I like my Jordan 1 Lows. I kind of put Dunks in the same category as those because they're roughly the same. But I actually like these a lot. Obviously, if I recommend them in a ton of videos, I would pick them up myself. And I finally did it, which I'm happy about. So I'm not lying to my videos about stuff that I would pick up. But another super simple colorway. That's all I ever really pick up, are just super simple colorways. I plan on wearing this maybe more now. I don't know. Winter's about to hit, and I don't know if I'm going to wear a lot of low tops in the winter. I like to wear my blazers because I can beat those up, and they're already beat up. But this might be a better summer sneaker, but whatever. I'll probably wear. I have a ton of other sneakers that I have to wear this winter. But definitely a cool one to pick up. I'm very happy that I got it. So let's show you guys some on feet of this sneaker. So obviously, I tell you guys this every time. I keep going with the recording, and then I record the on-feet after because I want to get them as clean as possible, and I don't really want to touch them after they've been worn on the ground and stuff. But I'm really happy with this pickup. Obviously, didn't think I was going to hit anything on the restock. This is definitely the best thing on the restock. There was the red ones, like the championship red Dunks that I also tried to get. Didn't get those, but I was happy that I got these ones, especially in my size. Usually, a lot of the times for Dunks, I just kind of go like whatever size, but I was like, might as well try for these to actually be in my size. So really good pickup. Obviously one of the better pickups I feel like of the year so far for me. It's nothing crazy, but it's something simple. And obviously now I finally have a pair of Dunks, which I was looking into getting. I didn't know if I wanted the red one or go for these ones, but I'm happy that I got these for retail, so I didn't have to pay resale for them. So $100, not bad at all. There's definitely worse sneakers you can get for $100. So Nike Dunk Low, black, white, panda, whatever they are, Finally picked them up, really happy about them. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me in the comments also what you think of these sneakers. I know they've been out for a while, so they're not really new or anything, but I finally picked up a pair of Dunks that I'm actually going to keep. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you guys later.